This is Pachi, and today I'm going to show you how to hack cooking vegetables in a minute. Just slice them with a mandolin, place them on your panini grill or on a baking pan or on just a regular pan, and once it's really hot, add a little bit of water, cover it, and the steam will make them cook in 1 minute instead of 5 to 7 minutes that it traditionally takes. You can cover it if it's the panini grill, and you can just cover it with a pan cover if it's a regular pot. You can do this with many vegetables. It's like making a grill or a pan an instant wok. Try it, you're gonna love it. And you can also keep your vegetables made for the week like this. Once they're completely cold, cover them and refrigerate them, and they will be perfectly fine to reheat for all 5 days of your week. See you next time.